If you like pork loin, join us, because this recipe is delicious. We start with 500 grams of pork loin. Cut into steaks, and then into cubes. This size is perfect. Transfer to a bowl, and add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and to taste, powdered ginger, garlic powder, dried parsley, salt, black pepper, and 1 egg. Mix until well combined. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Now, prepare a bowl with cornstarch, and coat the pork loin cubes on all sides. When they are well covered with cornstarch, let's fry them in sunflower oil. Keep the heat on medium when the oil heats up. Let them fry on both sides until golden brown. Keep stirring to get them well browned. Once they look good, remove and set aside. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 of water. Mix until well incorporated. Next, in the frying pan, add a drizzle of olive oil, a chopped red onion, a chopped green bell pepper, and a chopped red bell pepper. Stir. Return the pork loin to the pan, and let it sit here for now. Chop 250 grams of pineapple. Add it to the frying pan and now stir, letting it cook for just 1 minute. And it will look something like this, mouth-watering. And that's it for our recipe today. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed preparing it. If you make this recipe at home, come back here and tell us what you think in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell to receive notifications whenever we post a new recipe. See you next time.